So hello everyone. Today we will be discussing about curriculum evaluation. So first, overview. Curriculum evaluation is a component of curriculum development that responds to public accountability. It looks into educational reforms on innovation that happen in the teacher's classroom, the school, district, division, or the whole educational system as well. It is establishing the merits and worth of a curriculum. So merit refers to the value and worth of the curriculum. Test result will only be used as one of the pieces of evidence of evaluation. For the end, the purpose of evaluation is to improve and not to prove. The purpose of evaluation is to gather data that enables one to decide whether to accept, change, eliminate the whole curriculum. Because in curriculum evaluation, we know how to improve the curriculum, identify the strengths and weaknesses, as well as the problems encountered in the implementation to improve the curriculum development process. There are several parties or stakeholders interested in the process and result of curriculum evaluation. First is the parents. They are interested because they want to be assured that their children are being provided with a sound, effective education. The next one is the teachers. They are interested because they want to know that what they are teaching in the classroom will effectively help them cover the standards and achieve the result they know the parents and administration are expecting. The next one is general public. They are interested because they need to be sure that their local schools are doing their best to provide solid and effective educational programs for the children in the area. Next is the administrators. They are interested because they need the feedback on the effectiveness of their curricular decision. And lastly, the curriculum publisher. They are interested because they can use the data and feedback from a curriculum evaluation to drive changes and upgrades in the material they provide. Because in the end, the goal is always to make sure that students are being provided with the best education possible. Two ways of looking at curriculum evaluation. First is the curriculum program evaluation, overall aspect of a curriculum as a subject, degree program, or curriculum reform program. Example of this program that may undergo curriculum program evaluation are the K-12 curriculum, the integrated science program, the teacher's education program, the mother tongue curriculum, and etc. Then next is the components of a curricular program refers directly to the assessment of curriculum contents and processes. So it may include separate evaluation of achieved learning outcomes, curriculum process, and the instructional materials. Various definition of curriculum evaluation according to the curriculist. Ernst and Hodgkin in 1998, curriculum evaluation is a process done in order to gather data that enables one to decide whether to accept, change, eliminate the whole curriculum of a textbook. Next is McNeil J in 1977. Evaluation answer two questions. Number one, do plan learning opportunities, programs, courses, and activities as developed and organized actually produce desired result? Number two, how can a curriculum best be improved? Gay L. in 1985, evaluation is to identify the weaknesses and strengths as well as the problem encountered in the implementation to improve the curriculum developmental process. It is to determine the effectiveness of and the return on allocated finance. Olivia P. 1988, it is a process of delineating, obtaining, and providing useful information for judging alternatives for purposes of modifying or eliminating the curriculum. Reason for curriculum evaluation. Why is there a need to evaluate a curriculum? The curriculum process presented by Tyler, Taba, and others at the end of the line or cycle undergo an evaluation. All of them agree that planning, designing, and implementing are less useful unless there is evaluation. Here are some of the specific reasons. Curriculum evaluation identifies the strengths and weaknesses on an existing curriculum that will be the basis of the intended plan, design, or implementation. This is referred to as the needs assessment. Next, when evaluation is done in the middle of the curriculum development, it will tell if the design or implemented curriculum can produce or is producing the desired result. So this is related to monitoring. Based on the SAM standards, curriculum evaluation will guide whether the result have equaled or exceeded the standard that can be labeled a success. This is sometimes called terminal assessment. Lastly, curriculum evaluation provides information necessary for teachers, school managers, curriculum specialists for policy recommendation that will enhance, achieve learning outcomes. This is the basis of decision making. In curriculum, evaluation important processes were evolved such as need assessment, monitoring, terminal assessment, and decision making, where I discussed a while ago. According to Scriven, following are the three main types of curriculum evaluation. Is the formative evaluation. It occurs during the course of curriculum evaluation. Its purpose is to contribute to the improvement of the educational program. The merit of a program are evaluated during the process of its development. The evaluation results provide information to the program developers and enable them to correct flaws detected in the program. Evaluation occurs during curriculum creation and allows developer to correct flaws. Next one is summative evaluation. The final effects of a curriculum are evaluated on the basis of its stated objectives. It takes place after the curriculum has been fully developed and put into operation. So, summative evaluation, this is the evaluation of the final curriculum after it has been fully developed. The last one is diagnostic evaluation. It's directed towards two purposes, either for placement of students properly at the outset of an instructional level, such as secondary school, or to discover the underlying cause of deviance in student learning in any field of academic consultant. So the diagnostic evaluation, it involves determining the cause of a deficit after using the curriculum. In conclusion, curriculum evaluation ensures the objectives of the curriculum are being taught and students are learning in the best way possible. Curriculum developers are highly interested in the evaluation process as it guides any changes and improvements that may be needed. Thank you. The further discussion may I call Veronica Javier to explain the curriculum evaluation model.